Sanbon, if the rumors are true, if the gossip blogs are telling the truth, ukuthi u-Enhle Mbali uthole half of Black Coffee's estate, sengikikizela endlini ngaze ngagiya ngagqibula ngashona phansi ngashona le ngashona ngexa ngashona ezansi ngaze ngajabula ngathi ingane yakithi ngaze ngamjabulela u-Enhle Mbali ukuthi utholile what is due to her. Kodwa Nkosi yami, that woman sacrificed i-career yakhe mother ingane kaKhofi egcineni kosuku ukuthi ubediregwa every day bese kufanele angasatholi lutho. Kodwa Nkosi yami eheni webantu, kwaze kwamnandi enhlizweni yami, waze wacula umoya wami. Angixolisa ukujabula phambi kwenu umphakathi, kodwa le ndaba ingithinte la personally, futhi vele ibingistressa. I hated how Mbali was treated by Twitter people, Chris Excel nebandla lakhe laphaya. Ngaze ngamjabulela, ngaze ngambongela. uNkulunkulu wami, I hope ukuthi lento iyiqiniso. Angiyithanda indaba zabantu kodwa babhemi. Kodwa Nkosi yami, ngaze ngajabula Nkosi yami, ngaze ngajabula Nkosi yami, ngaze ngamjabulela usisi Mbali. uNkulunkulu emuhle njalo, bafazi engathi ngasikhumbula njalo Nkosi yami, asikhumbule njalo for our sacrifice, for our support, for everything esiyenzile la emhlabeni, engathi uNkulunkulu engasikhumbula. Ngeke athi ngigeze ngiyocelebrate. Singigeze ngiyocelebrate nje ngemali engekho.
She may have jeopardized the Carlton hair deal, but she won the divorce battle, and if you're asking me at this point, that's all that matters. Hey guys and dolls, Married at First Sight may be over, but I hope you didn't think you could get rid of me that easily. I may not be reviewing other shows yet. I will give you guys a list of other shows that I will be reviewing in future. But one of the things I'd also like to talk to you about or share my views on from time to time is the headline making things in South Africa. So maybe not everything, but from time to time I may hop on here and share my thoughts. And as someone who has followed the divorce battle between Enhle Mbali Mlotwa and Nkosinathi Maphumulo, popularly known as Black Coffee, for years and years, I've had several jobs as this two have been trying to divorce. And as of 10 October, they are finally officially divorced according to a South African court. On 10 October 2025, which was a Friday in South Africa, the court ruled in favor of Enhle Mbali on several points that were disputed by her now ex-husband Nkosinathi Maphumulo. According to her lawyer, Jerry Ngeli, who posted on Instagram, you can go find the post over here, the court ruled in her favor on several counts, granting her all the reliefs that she sought in this divorce from her ex-husband. One of the points is that their marriage was ruled valid after he tried to dispute the validity of their marriage, citing several reasons why he felt that all the things that they did didn't count as a valid marriage. The court said, upon reviewing the evidence, this is a valid marriage, and therefore it is also a marriage in community of property. Long after they married, he also tried to make her sign an anti-nuptial contract, which was then invalidated by the court in this process. Because of this, he was also ordered to pay spousal maintenance as part of the divorce decree. Although the divorce saga has spanned about 6 years, the couple officially met in 2008. According to the internet, it may be earlier or later, give or take a few years, because the internet gets their answers from like broken telephone. So unless these two actually do say, I haven't watched all of the interviews to be able to recall how they specifically told the story of when they met, but the internet says they met in 2008. I was still in high school back then. I also just don't have a timeline of how things were, whether she was already acting or she was just venturing into acting, but he was already DJing at that point, so most likely they were both trying to establish themselves in their careers at that point when they met. They went on to get married in 2011 and 2017 respectively, with an initial customary marriage and all the rights and the cultural, rules that have to be observed then, and then later on in 2017 with a white wedding. We all recall the white wedding pictures, so I don't understand what Black Coffee was trying to do when in his legal argument he tried to pretend like their marriage wasn't valid. But anyway, they were married, like I said, and they had 2 children. But she has 2 children. He has more, because in addition to the son he entered their relationship with, he rumored, or reportedly rather, went on to make 2 more children with other women while he was married to Enhle. Although Black Coffee has yet to say anything to date, Entle has definitely taken to her socials to let us know not only how she feels about, closing this chapter in her life, but that she feels elated to be able to officially return to her maiden surname, Mlotwa. Mlotwa? Mlotwa? You guys will hop in the comments and let me know the pronunciation, as you always do, because one thing you guys will never do is let me breathe about how I say South African names. Among the people she wanted to thank along this journey are her lawyers, Jerry Ngeli and Ndombi, who's on Jerry's legal team, as well as her mother, who was in and out of court with her. Now, the amount for the spousal maintenance and the cost of the estate that has to be split in this divorce between the two of them who are married in community of property remains undisclosed to date. And given how high profile this divorce is and how expensive both their lawyers must have been, probably we might not ever find out those amounts. But we're speaking about the Nkosi Maphumulo, the Black Coffee, a Grammy Award-winning, internationally respected musician and producer. So I know she shot herself in the foot with that hair comment at that hair launch, but this divorce decree might just smooth the burn of what happened with the Carlton situation. And in all honesty, I hope she learns to not say stuff like that going forward, because I know you don't need the bag, but an endorsement deal would still be nice no matter how rich you are.
Let's talk about celebrity to celebrity marriage. And hi there, my name is Endramo, and welcome to the White Cup with Endramo. After 6 years of a divorce back and forth, the court finally rules in Enhle Mbali's favor. Now, Mina, I'm excited for her and I'm happy for her because what the hell? Black Coffee thinks ubecabangani ukuthi ingashade enye ingane ayithweze ingane bese ayifebele and then wants to walk away scot-free like nothing ever happened and not share what they've built and accumulated together. I mean, Enhle Mbali has been there from building up. When Black Coffee was still DJing Emma Tavern, now because sehamba bo Ibiza, usebona ama supermodel amade, usefuna ukulaqaza enye ingane. No dadwethu, I command. But no, what's that? The Instagram BBL girlies, Ubuhle Samuels, should take notes from you. You know, that's how you fight. You don't go to them takey and get them BBL and think that you are, you are all that ulungiselela abantu abashadile. Wasavela udile decisively and correctly so. Because with this Instagram girlies that have them BBLs that hide behind being an influencer and trying to inspire kids, yet we know what they do, bullshit. Buhle sebenzihamba giga girl nanko ubani lo ubani le ntombazane le uSayin Bush uyagiga uyasebenza yakhe imali hlulwa yini wena ufuna ukusebenza amadoda abashadile. Yes. Let's divulge into these Instagram girlies that hide behind influencing yet siyabazi ukuthi bedume ngani and they're misleading the youth. Now kusevele ne-mention after bemcoshile la le indoda ka-Asavele ibimcashise khona. Nakho iPorsche phela isihambile bandla. Usuvela nesithabathaba se-mention manje athi welcome to my home. Ibiphi leyo mali yokuthenga ihome all along uhlala emzini yabantu? We should call bullshit out. Because this BBL influencers hiding, this BBL girlies hiding behind being influencers. Because they're actually not influencers. They are influencers of E. And again, Vusinova, ngibona comment yakho la uthi ngiyakudrag. Like how we don't drag people, we report on things ezenzekayo. Unless if ufuna sengenza separate video sengidivulge deep into ungangitshela phela. I am all the time. Yeah. And Ninama Instagram BBL girlies that are hiding behind influencers, misleading EU theater. Ngzonshai. Once again, my name is Indramo, and thank you for watching The White Cup with Indramo.
Ladies, we just won. Here's another proof that udilishana nomthetho, you need to be resilient, you need to be patient, and most importantly, you need to have abantu abakusapotayo, because it really gets tough. You are painted as a villain, you are painted as a gold digger, you are painted as everything, as umuntu ongafuna ukusebenza. Awufuna ukusebenza, ufuna ukutya imali zabantu. Nanku uEnhle Mlotshwa, i-divorce yakhe has just been finalized izolo, and she's walking away with what she deserves, half of everything that DJ Bangane Black Coffee owns. So guys, this is a motivation to all of us who are still busy with court cases that are dragging and taking forever. Singenayo nalo mali vele hey inzima. It is to say, ukubana guys, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. It is possible, ladies. It is possible to get what you deserve. Let's learn to fight for what is ours. Let's learn to fight for what is rightfully ours. If we are divorced, yes, if you want to walk away with nothing, by all means. But if you feel ubana I bendi housewife, but lamntu lo wayana besemsebenzini alungiselwe ndima athandazelwe ndima athini. Remember also ku relationships emitshatweni, in fact, igrace yomnye umuntu goes to the next one. Igrace yam izawuhamba iyothi nca kumyeni wam. Operating ngegrace yam to the people who are spiritual. So guys, I'm happy for Enhle. I'm truly happy for her. So happy for her. From 2019, esenza into enye ethukwa ngabantu bemlabelisha as this and that. And ngoku justice system. Guys, justice system kurare ukubana yenze into right. Siyayibona uba kwenza kantoni ngoku kwezi cases zikhoyo zokhetha madlala. So if you're going through whatever you're going through edibene ne court, mntase, hold on just a little bit longer. Hold on, mntase. Sizawuphumelela, sizakuba right. Zonke eza cases zethu, ezanto sizilwelwayo zethu, sizawuba right. Congratulations, Enhle. And may you have peace nabantwana bakho going forward, and use your money for wena nabantwana bakho to give you guys a better future. And hopefully you will find a partner that will respect you. You know, you will have umuntu apho ozohlala naye akuthande ngalendlela ufuna ukuthandwa ngayo. Well done.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi waseMzansi. People are reacting to uEnhle Mbali winning a court case yakhe na Black Coffee. Siyalikokuthi le case lena idrage for almost 6 years. Solo kubalwa kuthiwa they were not married legally kani. uEnhle Mbali was proving ukuthi thina we are married, we were married in community of property kesana. So yadraga a court case for years kesana, and yesterday uEnhle Mbali unqobile because uwinile leya court case, free at last. Wayobhala laphana etinkundleni zokuxhumana vakalisa kujabula kwakhe, washo ukuthi she is now officially Miss Mlotshwa kesana. Hamba na 50% yetinto ta Black Coffee. Ukuthi Black Coffee guys uyibillionaire lokwenta ukuthi makahamba na 50% uEnhle, nkosi yami ngekaphenza 70 empilweni yakhe, because she's now rich,
she is now rich. And people are so excited and happy for Enhle Mbali, saying ukuthi finally umthetho wase-South Africa uze wafavor umuntu wesifazane. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.